Patcher says, "Yeah, me, Mammy Moon, your pastor." Minya, Minibi, Minibi, as I see you 2 coin. Plenty to cry into me toy. Brother baby fear. I hear soon, Mijina Meno Casay. Can you have fear soon? In see a wolf hanging answer so. Yato pipe him. Minyasika can have the cutia. Just a medical baby at phone, telephone, you play as you grab the Omka. Miss Straw Party. So when him said, worry and say, I feel I'm an enemy, yeah, by a war. Nama 2 bedding. Above free beginning, as I say, Minyaka, BC woman. Send a baby or the school. What did he ask Abri? Not men are show. Ah, area some now okay. Who sees so brother and boy?
Wait, let me explain in case you do not understand. This man called Kojo received a phone call from his dad far from the village. His father is demanding a small amount of money to be used to take care of his health. Kojo has denied him and he is raining insult on his father. He even added that if he did not manage his time well, he cannot clean up the mess he had created. You watching me right now, why do you think this man is treating his biological father this way? Please leave me a comment in the comment box. Do you know that the person you will select as your life partner can help improve your life and at the same time demote or deteriorate you? I am about to share with you a very short educative story, and by the time I finish with it, you will be able to know the right partner to take, and then also you will be able to know the essence of taking very good care of your aged parent if you are lucky to have one. Mr. Kojo Bani had his wedding with his lovely, humble wife some few months ago. One day, as he was preparing to go to work, he had a phone call from his dad far from the village demanding money for his healthcare. Kojo got annoyed because his father called too early. He refused his demand and told him clearly that if he could not make it in life at this age, he would not be responsible for cleaning his mess. Kojo rained harsh words on his dad to the extent that the father did not believe Kojo, his son, was the person he was talking to. In the heated conversation, the wife of Kojo popped in, but she did not interrupt her husband. She waited for him to finish with his dad. She calmly sat him down and humbly schooled her husband on the essence of taking care of parents whilst they are alive. The wife made it clear that it is a curse to despise your parent. It even becomes worse if you organize a big funeral for your unattended parent if they die. These humble words from Kojo's wife touched his heart. He then began to feel sorry for treating his father that bad. He then asked his wife what he should do. The wife humbly educated him to first render an apology to his father and then grant his wishes. The wife then requested to accompany him to seek forgiveness. On meeting the father, he was so sad to the extent that he wanted to decline Kojo's apology. But with the humble words from his wife, he accepted both the apology and the cash. This ends my beautiful story. Here are the moral lessons. You see, in marriage, when one partner goes wrong, how you will handle him or her will determine whether he will accept his fault or deny it. It always works best when you humbly tackle the issue in a right place at the right time. The wife allowed him to pour his heart out, calmed him down, and then schooled him. We should learn when and how to tackle problems. Whenever you realize that you are at fault, please accept it and render an apology before you worsen your case. Kwachu quickly accepted his mistake. Point number 3, encourage your partner to assist his or her extended family. This is a proof that you are not selfish, but you are in the marriage to create an everlasting good relationship with all family members. You may not be able to know the benefits today, but certainly you will in future. If you are lucky to have your parents alive, please do take care of them. It doesn't matter whether it is big or small. Take very good care of them because there are so many blessings in it. If you are already married, please apply this in your marriage and you will have a very peaceful home. If you have fallen in love with this story, why don't you consider subscribing to our YouTube channel? We upload every single week and our videos are not only interesting, but they are life-changing stories. Thank you very much for watching. My name is George Boateng.